In this video, I will teach you how to add a pop-up in WordPress using Elementor. Now, the very first thing you need to do is to go to the WordPress.com website, wherein you can get started with a free one-of-a-kind website, and you can take it even further with powerful plans to help you grow, sell, and succeed in life. But if you don't have a WordPress account yet, you can just go right here and click on Get Started or Start with Free button right here. You can just sign up and create your very own site. But if you already have an account, you can just simply sign in or log in to your specific account. Now, once you're on WordPress, you will automatically be redirected to its homepage. Now, to install Elementor, all you have to do is to scroll down right here on this left sidebar and scroll down until you see plugins. Just have to click on that. Now, once you're on plugin, all you have to do is try and searching up Elementor on your search bar. And then after searching that out, you will automatically be able to see plugins that has Elementor on it, which is right here. Now you can just click on one of this and then install it to your website. Just have to click on this upgrade and activate in order for you to have this Elementor website builder on your plugin. To create pop-ups, you'll need Elementor Pro, and so make sure you upgrade if you haven't already by going to elementor.com. And once you're on your Elementor Pro, you just have to go to Templates, Pop-ups, and add a new pop-up on your account. And you can just name your pop-up and click Create Template. You can also choose a ready-made pop-up from the library or design your very own using a drag and drop widgets. After designing all of that, you can just click Publish button and you will automatically publish all the pop-up that you have created. Once everything is set, you can just click and save and close. And you have successfully created a pop-up on your WordPress. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.